In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create bill of material table or BOM. Bill of material table is table that includes all the materials, parts and sub-assemblies required to build a specific assembly or a product. So we have a disassembly here, and for this assembly we wanna create bill of material tables just to see how many parts we have, how many sub-assemblies we have, what is the quantity of those, what are materials of those, who designed those parts, and so on. Depends what we need or want. So if we want to create bill of material table, we can simply go to Annotation tab, and here we have tables. Let's click here and let's choose bill of materials like this. And now first we have to select a drawing view to specify the model for creating a bill of materials, and we're gonna specify this view. And now we have some options here. For the first time, we're gonna leave options as they are, and let's click OK. Now just move your mouse to the drawing sheet, and now you can position your table where you want. Let's go here, like this. Now if we look at our table, we see that we have item number. We have assembly 1, assembly 2, and a sub-assembly. Those assembly 1, assembly 2 are parts. Their names are just assembly. So we have quantity 1, 1, and 1. If we want to adjust our table, we can click here, and we can just adjust our table how we want. So let's do something like this. And now let's click here on the left top, like this. And let's see what kind of options do we have. We have here BOM type. We have top level only, we have parts only, and we have indented. Top level only shows all the first level parts and sub-assemblies. Now as we see, we have a parts and sub-assembly. It doesn't show the parts within sub-assembly, so we don't see parts in this sub-assembly. If we go to parts only, this shows the list of the individual parts without indicating sub-assemblies. So we don't have a sub-assemblies, we only have parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. And the indented shows the first level parts, 1, 2, and sub-assembly, and parts listed within sub-assemblies. So we have parts 1, 2, 3, 4 in the sub-assembly. If we click here, we have no numbering. Now as you see, our sub-assemblies don't have numbers. We can click here and we can go with detailed numbering. Now we have 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Those parts are part of the sub-assembly. We can also go to flat numbering. Now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So really depends how you want. Let's click OK. And this is how you can create a simple bill of material table. Now for example, if we want to see those parts, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here which part is which, we can click on this view, go to Annotation tab, and here we have one tool, Auto Balloon. Let's click on this. And OK. And now we see that we got designation of every part. This is part 1, 5, 4, 6, 2, and this one is 7. Let's click here. With this simple bill of material table, we show all parts and all sub-assemblies with their quantities. And we show on the 3D assembly which part is which.